Good day, everyone. Today, we will showcase a sample course on how the different LMS course resources, specifically the tools used in the LMS Teaching Course 101, are utilized to create a course for empowerment technology. As you can see on your screen, there is a cover page for easy identifying of the subject. You can also see the title, the description, and the objective of the course. So let's go ahead and access this course. Once you've accessed the course, you can see the title at the topmost part of the course. So this is a label resource, which we uploaded image instead of a plain text. If we scroll down to the course, we can see labels that is also an image. So let's recall, elaborate, explore, evaluate, and develop are all label tools. At the topmost part of the course, you can see here a schedule or the subject schedule. We use the tool page to create this schedule. As you can see, there is the title and please see attached schedule for activities for the whole week. As you can see, this is the empowerment technology schedule for the whole week. The student can follow this schedule, or they can move on their own pace, since this is a self-paced course. Let's go back. So after the subject schedule, which we use the page tool, we can see here the quarter 1 module 1 PDF copy of the course. This is a forced download, wherein once you've clicked the title, it will automatically download the PDF copy of the module on your devices. Moving on, and let's recall part of our module, we use the quiz tool here as a tool for the pre-assessment. So once we've clicked that, we can see here the pre-test assessment, wherein it is a multiple choice. This is a 10-point quiz. This is found also in the module, wherein the module that is the basis of this course. So as you can see here, this is the what I know. It is also a multiple choice here on the screen. So this is a multiple choice. So as you can see, the students can answer. So they can answer that. So they can answer up to 10, and then they can finish the attempt. So once they finish the attempt, they can now move on to elaborate. In the elaborate part, this is the lesson proper of the course, but they cannot access the elaborate part not unless they have finished the what I know or the pre-test. So this is a one function of the learning management system, which we've discussed through the training of the DLMS Teaching Course 101. So until they finish the what I know, they will not gain access with the lesson proper. So the elaborate part here, we use the book tool to create the lesson. So let's click on that. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the lesson proper, wherein we also use and integrate, or we also use H5P technology, so that the lesson will be interactive for the student. So this is an H5P. This is the first page is an H5P. So as you can see, the student can type an answer on the said activity real time, and they can, after answering, they can go ahead and click next. And this is the lesson proper, wherein we put also some graphics so that the students will have something to look at besides text. So that is the lesson proper. So that is, we use book. This is a book. You can see here the table of contents. So here it is. So after accessing the main lesson or the elaborate part, we will now move on to explore. Now let's move on with explore. As you can see here, it is also restricted. The activity that the students need to answer after going through the lesson or reading the lesson, you can see here that it is restricted, not unless the activity ICT current state is incomplete. So not until they have finished viewing the lesson itself until to the last page, the activity for their course will not be available. So this is the activity. Let's go ahead and click that. We use also the book. We utilize the book tool in having this formative assessment for the course. So as you can see here, this is an H5P technology and we integrated H5P to the book as a form of formative assessment on the students' learning or the assessment of students' learning. So as you can see here, this is book. This is just one page. Now let's go back. Now let's move on with evaluate part. So the evaluate part is the assessment part of the course wherein this is graded or the summative quiz for this course. So this is also restricted as you can see on your screen. This is also restricted not unless the activity 1 is complete. So let's go ahead and preview the assessment. So as we click on assessment, we can see there so we can attempt the quiz. This is a 15 point quiz, multiple choice also. So the students can answer this. So the students can answer this one. So the next page. So that's the quiz. This is also a multiple choice. So going back, after the students have accessed or answered the assessment part or the evaluate part, they can go ahead and view the assignment. So this is also restricted not unless the assessment is complete or the assessment has been answered. So the develop part or the assignment part will not be available for the student not unless they have finished the evaluate section. Let's go ahead and preview this assignment. Once we click that, you can see here a teacher's view of the assessment or the assignment tool. So this is created using the assignment tool. So as you can see here, the title, the instruction, and the grading summary. But in the view of the students, they will not see this. They will see something like this. So submission status. Once the students click add submission, they will see here a text box wherein they can type in their answer for the question. Here at the topmost part of the screen, they can see the instruction and they can type here because we've learned how to put in online text here on the course. So this is how the students will view this. So I think that's it for the showcase of the sample course on how the different LMS course resources are used in empowerment technology in learning management system. Thank you and God bless.